In this video, we will be in the key of G sharp major. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start. We are going to play the song in a simple way before we play it in a high level. Okay? So as I said, we will be in the key of G sharp major. Let me play it simple first so you can see how it sounds. Okay? Why? Okay, so these are all drop 2 chords. It's like playing drop 2 chords. Okay, this it is the 1 chord as a drop 2 chord. We're just going to take the second note from the highest. Okay, 1, 2, and drop the second note down. Okay, this is the same also. This is the 4 chord. We're just going to take the second highest note and drop it up. Okay, we turn back on the 3, 1. There on this one, this is the same thing. We're just going to take the second note from the highest and drop it up. Okay, I hope you understand this. 3, 3, 4, 3, 1, 7. Okay, 6, 7 there. This is this chord. This is the 5. We just take the second note and drop it down. Okay, 7. There we just play it on the 7. This is the reason that I say 7, because the bass is 7. 7, 6, 4. Okay, there let's go on the 3. 3. Okay, and then there we're going to work the melody up. There we do this 4 chord. Okay, we just invert it. This is the first inversion. There, this is a nice chord. Okay, instead of doing the 2 chord, there we will do the flat 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flat 7. Okay, we will do it as a major 7 chord. Okay, very nice. Okay, this 6, 7, 1, 2. There, this is a nice chord. This is a slash chord. In the right hand, we're just going to play the 3. 1, 2, 3. C chord, C major. Let's play it in the first inversion form. Okay, like this. And in the left hand, we're just going to play the 5. Okay, as a dominant chord. Let's take this away. Okay, a nice chord. And then nice. And then we're going to start again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There, this is a minor 6 chord, the 4 minor 6. So I'm just going to take this bass and put it up. Okay, like this. Okay, and then this is a 5 chord. I just add the 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, so now let's go to play it in the highest level. Okay, there we're going to use major 9 chords. Okay, Okay, this is a major 9 chord. This is a major 9 chord. the 1. Okay, this is a major 7 chord. When we put this is a major 9. Okay, it's like playing it like this or so. No, like this. This is a major 9. So I just take this B flat and put it there. Okay? So there, we're going to take these two notes, A flat and B flat, put them up. Okay? It will be like this. And we're just going to double this E flat there. Okay, and then let's try to explain this. This is a combination of chords. Okay, so in the right hand I just play a G sharp sus2 chord. Okay, and there I just play a 3 chord, a 3 minor chord. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very nice. Okay, with the melody there. This is a add 2 chord, okay? And then we turn back there. We will go on the 1. Bum, bum. There we do the same major 9 chord on the 5, okay? The 4 major 9 chord, okay? And then when we invert it, it will be like this. It's like playing a 7 minor chord, G minor chord, with the 5 as a sus2 chord, okay? With the melody there. Bum, and then we're going to do the same on the 4 also. 4. Okay, major 9 chord. C sharp, major 9 chord. Let's explain this combination. It's like taking a 6 minor chord in the left hand and combine it with a C sharp sus2 chord in the right hand. Okay, and then there we're going to play our 4. The melody. Let me take it back for you. This is very nice. Okay, there we're going to do the same thing with the melody there. Fantastic. This is another G sharp major 9 chord. Okay, and then there, this is a drop 2 chord again. It's like taking this, let's say, this chord, and we're going to drop this down. Okay. Okay. So this is F, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp. Okay. With the melody there in the right hand. There, this is another major 9 chord. Okay, as we did lately on the flat 7. So there we do the same thing. Major 7 chord, but there we put the 9. Okay, now it becomes a major 9. Okay, and then there we're going to do the same thing as lately. Nice. There, this is a let's say this is a E flat 7 flat 9 chord. E flat 7, okay, 7, and then what's the 9 of E flat? This is the 8. This is the octave. This is the 9, and then this is the flat 9. There we put the flat 9, and then this is the same G that is played there, and then there. This is the same B flat that is played there. Okay, this is a E flat 7 flat 9 chord. Okay, nice 7 flat 9 chord. Okay, and then we're going to start it back. The same thing. Oh my God, this is too nice. And then after this, we're going to play this. So this is a second version of G sharp. Okay, I just play this on the bass. It's like putting a tension on the 5. Okay. Okay. This is E flat C. in the left hand, and then in the right hand, we're just going to play like a G sharp sus2 chord. Okay? G sharp sus2, and we're just going to double this there. Okay? Very nice. And then, this is a slash chord. It's like combining this nice 4 chord as a major 7 chord. This is a C sharp major 7. We just combine it with the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. sus4 chord. And then we take this melody down. Bum, bum. We keep this sus4 chord there, and then we're going to play the 4 as a sus2 chord. Okay, so let's do it like this. Okay, or 4 with a 5. Okay, and then this chord, which is a 7 chord. Okay, this is a E flat 7 flat 9 again. Okay, I hope you see everything. And then now let's continue. After this, we're going to take the chorus. This is a nice movement. Okay. Okay, this, it's like playing the 2 chord as a dominant chord. Okay? But I'm just going to do a nice movement before playing it, okay? I do this, and then, okay, A and C. Okay? There. This is our dominant chord. B flat dominant chord. Okay? And then we're going to work this melody up. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 2. With this drop 2 chord. Okay, this is a 5 chord. Okay? Very nice. And then there, we're going to take it back there. Okay? There, this is the 7. Okay, the G. This is a drop 2 chord. This is a 5 chord. But we just play it like this. G, E flat, F, B flat, E flat, B flat. Okay? And then there, we're just going to do a half step back. Okay, this is G flat, D, E, A, D, E, A. Okay, we just play a half step back with every note, and then there we're going to do the same chord on the flat one, no, on the sharp one. Okay. Sharp 1, and then this is the 2 chord, B flat minor 11, okay? In the right hand we just play B flat, F, B flat, and then there we just play 4 sus2 chord, okay? C sharp, D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, okay? And then a simple 5 chord with the melody at the bottom, with the melody on the top, and then the 1 chord. Okay, we just play it like this, with this on the bass. There we play the 2 chord, B flat. Okay. There it's like playing a flat 7 chord. This chord, we're just playing it like this, drop 2 chord. Okay, and then we'll go on the 3. like the same form of chord. Okay? I hope you understand everything. I take all my time to explain this to you so you can understand everything. And then, this is the 4 chord, simple chord, as we did this. Okay? The same chord. Let me play this. This. Okay. We can play it like this also. This is the flat 7. Okay, and then this is a major 7 chord, the flat 7, F sharp, major 7 chord, with the melody on the top. Okay, and then we're going to play the same thing as lately. Okay, this again, or okay, this is the dominant. Okay, we're just going to play this for it. Okay, this. And then there, we're going to play this nice workup, okay? To go on the minor 6. Okay, so this is an inversion of this. Okay, there we take the 3 as a diminished chord.